The National Weather Service in Canada has issued a tornado warning for everywhere until 5 p.m. Eastern, Western, Central, Pacific, and Mountain Standard and Daylight Time. Locations in the path of the storm include Antarctica, Asia, Africa, America, Europe, Australia, and the surrounding areas including Mars and Jupiter. The storm is capable of producing rain, hail, snow, wind, tornadoes, hurricanes, earthquakes, and microbursts. The storm may flood roads, so please do not drive in your car. Please report hail, strong winds, rain, or Ryan Seacrest to the National Weather Service by email because we are using our phone lines to vote on America Idol.